Alright guys, I think we have something coming. Woo! Has to be. Yeah, something's coming. Yep. Oh wow, is this the local or manifest? I don't know. Let's see here. Oh wow, it sounds good. Come on, hurry up. Stupid ad. Come on, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone.
Oh wow, look at that. Look at this. Some GPs. Wow. Wow, leading a manifest. Wow. I think those are GP40s, and I saw what was it? Some golas, wow. Darn, I forgot. A GP38 high header, I think I saw, yeah. Oh guys, we have a meet. Woo! Oh guys, the Amtrak's coming, racing it. Wow guys, this is rare. First race. Woo! Woohoo! Woohoo! Capital Limited, guys. Woohoo! Or Lakeshore Limited. I don't know, one of those. Woohoo! That was rare. Is that like a thunderstorm coming? The heck? There goes that. Woohoo! This is like a thunderstorm coming. See that? Shoot. It's gonna rain. That was cool. Anyways guys, see you next video. Woohoo!